That was our drinking water. Up until now, this is the water we've been drinking, up until this pump was built. Almost every day people would be getting sick with diarrhea. And they don't have enough firewood to boil the water all the time, so people will be just drinking it like that.
The wood's fairly soft, is it?
Yeah. But we know we can guarantee somebody clean water for life for 50p. The reason we can is that the pump that you see behind us, which is being built today, that was built for just £250, and about 500 people are going to benefit from that water.
And all the things that need fixing on it can be fixed by local people. You know, they're not waiting for parts to be supplied from across the other side of the country. They're not waiting for an expert mechanic to come along. You know, they know how to make the washers for the pump. They know how to make the rope for it. It's a bicycle wheel. It's really simple. Look at this girl now going.
That's a perfect bottle of Thirsty Planet water, isn't it? Yeah. It's absolutely gorgeous. Be happy to sell that. Yeah.
It's really important that as much work as possible is done by the community, because that's part of that creating that sense of ownership. All these bricks, for example, these aren't bought by WaterAid, they're made by the community. And some of the people you see around us now, they've obviously cleared this area, they seem to have dug to make a big enough area for the elephant pump to go, and so they're getting stuck in. And at the end of the day, they should also be able to take the pump to pieces and put it back together again. So part of the installation is a way of training people so that they understand how the pump is built.
So I hold my ropes like this.
I've grown up in an African setup, and most of the times my own sisters would maybe miss a day going to fetch water some distance, and in some cases you'd find even people being raped because they're traveling large distances.
Once the cement's dried, that's it then. There's going to be clean water for this whole village, and the school, which is only just a short walk down the road, it's going to change so many people's lives.
There's going to be a huge impact as a result of the coming of the elephant pump for this community.